So today's video is gonna be on the top 4 worst dancehall artists in dancehall music, and the first one goes to Danielle D.I. herself. Danielle D.I. was the one that picked war with Aishana and couldn't handle the war and cried Cree. She's the one that called up the baller name and the baller disgrace her on stage and said nothing no go, so he never give her no lump sum of money, and they were married and all these things. In my expert opinion, me feel like if you're a dancehall artist and you pick fight with somebody or pick clash, you need to do your due diligence and finish what you started. You can't run away from war in a dancehall and think you're gonna get hype and fame and people are actually gonna acknowledge you and say you're the best thing. You can't be a coward in a dancehall, and that's what Danielle D.I. is to me personally. No hard feelings, I'm just giving you guys my thoughts and opinions. And number 4 is Danielle D.I. and number 3 goes to none other than, drum roll please, Gully Bop. Gully Bop himself, the Gully God, not really the Gully God, the man will come from the Gully, and this was what boss him.
Run from grassroots up a half a tree. Bow say you want go a red gal ring. Every day you a come to come swing for me thing. Mushy Tarzan, that's fun. Yo, Jordan, want to walk off of me, boom. Every gal want to walk off of me, boom. Every gal say they want piece of me, boom. And every gal them a dive after me. To them know me are the pussy specialist. When them pussy sick, them have to check me with it. Boom, boom, sick from 1986. 2000 putting she a check me with it. All the pussy want is a new gear stick.
That was Gully Bop when he was in the Gully and everybody was rooting for him and wanting him to win. But no, Gully Bop turned big coffee. Not only on social media but in general. Gully Bop turned into something I never want to see any dancehall artist be, which is ungrateful and ignorant. That is one of the worst things to be in a dancehall music. And sorry Gully Bop, but the truth. And the number 3rd spot go to the kidnap boy, the boy will get kidnapped, and it's Casanova. Casanova take the whole gimmicks thing to a whole new level. The man pretends to them kidnap him and all these things.
Everybody know them thing different. Why I gotta take my rag and beard with it? And like, it just lick my chip. And it at more than 1 point till I have to change my rag.
This are the youth who make J-Bad use him rag. This are the youth who make J-Bad use him. This are the youth who make J-Bad tell him he can't have no woman. This are the youth which will put all the Jamaican vloggers them in a big problem because he pulled that dumb stunt. He's one of the worst dancehall artists. Like honestly, it tied between him and number 1, and I couldn't make a decision, but number 1 worst dancehall artist go to none other than that idiot, yeah. That one, yeah. The one who wear the dress. The one who boss because he wear baby doll dress. If you slip bank up and you will slip. Touch the road, me no like when me sit. A bag of man a fly. Yes, the gimmicks them work in a dancehall, but you have talent fee. Back it. And there's a lot of dancehall artists that use gimmicks to push their career and propel their career. But my youth, that one yeah, not work for you. Okay? I don't know what kind of wife you have will make you actually go to a road and put on dress and put video out there with you in a dress, but you need to check the wife there because she don't mean you're no good at all. No, you have people are threatening your life because you're there on social media and not just the wind up and the dance in a baby doll dress. Quite honestly, you got number 1 for me just because of the baby doll dress and just because he went on Winfred Williams show go talk a bunch of foolishness about how Cartel use gimmicks and Alkaline use gimmicks. But the difference between Cartel, Alkaline and you is actually Cartel and Alkaline use gimmicks when they actually had a career. You don't have no career yet. They use gimmicks to boost your career. And quite honestly, that one yeah, not make it at all. Okay, need to get fling away. I actually went and go look at some of his old videos and music. The man sound like any dancehall artist, yes. But that song, you know, with the baby that dress just make me look upon him in a whole different way. Now he can't do nothing for me actually rate him again. So you make number one soul weatherman. Come in the comment section and tell me who you think the worst dancer artist is. If me miss out anybody, come in the comment section and tell me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. This is for fun and jokes, okay? Not take it too serious and take it too hard.